People think long distance is all about counting the days. Pero para sa amin, it's about making every single day count. May mga araw na it's just a quick video call. May mga araw na tawanan lang over the smallest things. At may mga araw na ang importante is that Katie gets to see us together, even though we're thousands of miles away. Kasi hindi naman sa layo nasusukat ang isang connection. Nasusukat siya sa consistency at sa effort na pinapakita araw-araw. I'm so grateful for every memory that we made bago ako umalis. At mas thankful ako knowing we're still creating new ones, one call at a time. Hindi madali ang ganito. May mga birthday, simpleng yakap, at ordinaryong araw na gusto mong andun ka. Pero minsan, ginagawa mo ang mahirap ngayon para mas maging maganda ang bukas. Temporary lang naman tong season na to. Temporary lang ang distance. Pero kung anong binubuo namin, that is the part worth protecting. Walang minamadali, walang pressure, just two people growing together one day at a time. At sa bawat good night, ang hinihiling ko lang, sana dumating na yung araw na hindi kailangan ng screen para makasama sila. Until then, I will keep showing up. Because if there's one thing I hope Katie remembers, it's not how far apart we were. It's that no matter the distance, her dad never stopped being there. I miss you. Love, Mr. B.
Okay. Chris Live for the sound check.
I know what's waiting on your mind. You can be sure I'm gone. 'Cause I stay beside you. You're only crying those happy tears.
Don't have LED.
And no one says I'll never break your heart. And I said by the moon and the stars in the
Ito po
sky.
yung venue for Chris tonight. We're doing the sound check.
I said by the shadows by your side. I'm leaving from very first till it apart. I love you every beat of my heart. I swear. What's my impression?
Please do come tonight at 9 o'clock. 9 o'clock. Past your bedtime? Yeah, we do have... test. Yeah. Yeah. We have front acts before him. We have 7 front act singers.
Oh,
And then he's in.
he's like the big show.
Yeah, he's one
Beautiful
he's
voice.
one of the trending artists.
Yes, yeah,
You know?
it's wonderful. Is he yours? Is he yours? No.
No,
You're the
yeah.
manager.
I'm working with Jackie.
Oh, yeah,
So
yeah.
I'm the partner of Voidex
Okay.
for this event.
Yeah.
I'm handling the Filipino community
Oh, good for you.
as a partner.
Yeah, I thought maybe he was your kid.
No,
Or you're-
you're my kid. No, it's really good.
Just every night?
No, just tonight. And he'll be going back to the Philippines. He's flying to US tomorrow for another concert.
Yeah.
And then series of concerts and then going back to the Philippines.
Wow.
Yeah.
Well, I hope we get a good crowd for him tonight.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure we will be.
Beautiful voice.
Yeah.
Beautiful. Yeah. Well, thank you.
Okay, if you can, be here tonight.
Yeah. Well, I might send the young crew.
Yeah. Good afternoon, everyone. We're here at WLS Center, Lloyd Fair for Chris Soundcheck. Nandito kami. We're inviting everyone to come here tonight at 9 p.m. Lloyd Fair. This is Chris Lawrence for tonight. We're-
Do you sing to the 90+ crowd or what?
I think so.
You know what? I do have some 60s and 70s. Check.
Sound check. So ito po yung venue for tonight. Hindi pa siya naayos dahil mayroon pang show before Chris. Jackie and Chris. Yeah. This is Jackie. I'm live. Yeah. Invite everyone. Yeah, our big boss. Yeah. We're gonna get your picture. Okay. Okay.
I'm gonna just bring that down in the house right now, and I'll bring it up into your ears.
Okay.
Okay. Bye for the meantime. I'll be back. Inviting